Hi guys, it's Jack from Dupli here, your partners in print, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Kodak M35 reusable film camera and specifically talking about how to load the film into the camera. So for this demonstration we're going to be using a roll of 35mm ColorPlus, and first thing we need to do is open up the film obviously. So as with all 35mm film, when you open it up, it's going to be a cardboard box and you'll have a little film canister, which the film sits inside of. We're just going to pop the top off that and take out the film. So first thing that we're going to do is open up the back of the camera. So on the M35s and all the reusable cameras, it's really simple to do. There's a little latch on the side, so you just pull down the latch and it'll pop open the back like that. Okay, so when you open up the back, you're going to find two compartments. Obviously, the middle here is where the lens sits, where the film is going to capture the image. You've got the film compartment on the left. Sometimes it'll be on the right, so you'll know that it's the film compartment because you'll have a little spindle coming down, which pops up to allow you to put the film into. And then you're going to have the take-up spool on the opposite side. So one thing to be mindful of when you're loading the film is, I don't know if you can see inside, we'll have a close-up shot of this, but there are actually two prongs, and you'll find this on most film nowadays, most modern film. And that will correspond with the spindle on the inside. So when you're putting it in, when you push the spindle down, if it doesn't close fully like that, you need to rotate it so that it fully snaps down in place like that. And so then what you're going to want to do is slowly pull the film across. So once it's locked in place, you should be able to just close up the back of the camera, and then you want to keep winding it on, and there's a film counter at the top. Most of the time it's on the top of the camera. And basically you want to keep advancing this, and taking a photo and advancing the film on until that counter goes from S to 1. So 1 is effectively the first usable frame of the film. So we're just going to keep going, wind in, and there we go, we're on 1 now, so we're ready to shoot with that. The way that you operate the flash on these cameras is there's a little lever on the front of the camera, so you're going to switch it from, there's basically an electric symbol. You want to switch it across till that symbol appears. Bear in mind that you do need a AA battery to use the flash on this camera, which you insert into the bottom. So when that switch is activated, every time you take a photo, the internal flash should fire. That's good for, you know, when you're taking photos indoors, at parties, if the lighting's a little bit not ideal for the speed of the film. So thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel. We're going to have more videos coming out on how to rewind the film. We're going to post some results from shooting with these cameras. And yeah, thanks for watching.